Okay, let's switch gears now and talk about how you can package and price your BI services. So we've seen three main offers work well for partners, depending on the size of the client and how advanced they are with BI. First up, the BI Essentials package. This one's ideal for smaller businesses who are just getting started with reporting. They don't need deep analytics. They just want to stop clicking around a dozen tools, start seeing their numbers in one place. What you typically include here is a handful of key data sources, think your CRM, Google Analytics, maybe one or two others. A few custom dashboards to highlight their KPIs, monthly automated reports, just enough to guide them, and one strategic check-in per quarter to keep them on track. For this service, you charge somewhere between $2,500 and $5,000 for the setup, and then $500 to $1,500 a month after that for ongoing support. And of course, they'll need a Databox license. Those usually range from $3 to $10K a year, depending on how much data they're connecting. Next up is the growth package. This is for companies that are past the basics. Maybe they've hit some growth goals and now they want deeper insight and automation. Here, you expand things. More integrations, maybe 15 to 20, 6 to 10 interactive dashboards, add in automated alerts, some predictive insights, monthly strategy sessions, and deeper performance reviews. And you'll also train their team so they can use all of this on their own. This is more involved, so your pricing would reflect that somewhere around $7,500 to $12,000 for the setup and $2,000 to $4,000 a month for support. Same idea with software. Their Databox license will typically sit in the $3 to $10K range. The final package is the full BI strategy and execution order. This is your done-for-you model. It's built for companies that want you to be their BI team. They're looking for full visibility, strategic recommendations, and ongoing performance optimization. So here, you're going all in. Unlimited data integrations, fully customized KPI framework and benchmarking, AI-powered forecasting and insights, weekly check-ins, executive reporting, and hands-on support across the board. This is a premium service. So pricing usually starts at $15,000 for the setup and $5,000 or more per month for execution. The software side stays the same. Databox is still in that $3 to $10K annual range, depending on their needs. And don't forget, there are other ways to monetize. You could run a one-off BI workshop for $5,000 to $10,000, offer a BI audit to review and score their current data strategy. Those usually go from $3,000 to $7,500, or jump in for hourly consulting. We see partners charging anywhere from $250 to $500 per hour for that. The big idea here is flexibility. You can meet clients where they are, show them quick wins, and scale the service over time, all while layering in Databox to make delivery easier and more profitable.